Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing FABFITFUN for spring 2020. I can't believe that it's already March. I feel like February was just like one blur. I feel like February was like a week long. I don't know what happened, but I am really excited to get this. I wasn't expecting it yet. Maybe I'm just forgetting how early they come. I don't know, but I got it today and I was like, this seems a little early. So I thought I would go ahead and unbox it. I just got it, like I said, today. I did cut the little seal open, but I haven't peeked inside to see what all my goodies are. So I'm really excited to do that. I will, of course, go ahead and link FABFITFUN down below if you're curious to check out pricing, because there are different plans. You can pay yearly or you can pay quarterly. So I'll leave all the information down below so that you guys can check it out. They always include this little magazine type deal that will tell you about some of the products. So a couple coupons there on top. Now let's go ahead and get into the goods. It looks really cute. It's got a little butterfly seal on the paper. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. So right on top I see this. This is the Amber Skeets, I'm gonna guess. This is a necklace and it is a layered kind of like coin looking necklace. That's really cute. And I want to say that there's a possibility that I picked that necklace because I wasn't super intrigued by some of the other things that I was seeing. Oh wow, $50 for this necklace. It says it's a double layered coin necklace with a detailed coin design on gold colored chains. Okay. Next I'm seeing this is from Chic and Tonic, and these are silicone straws. Very interesting. I have glass and I have aluminum, but I do not have a silicone straw. So this is very interesting. So this goes for $15 and it includes 4 silicone straws and a brush cleaner and carrying case. So let's open this guy up. Should I put the necklace on too? Maybe. Oh wow. So these are what the straws look like. I swear these look like noodles. They're like little bitty pool noodles. How cute. Really fun colors. One's kind of trying to match my nails there. And then the cleaner, of course, these come in really handy. If you're using aluminum, glass, obviously silicone, whatever, these come in handy. Oh, okay. I will definitely give these a try. I feel like 15 is not bad for straws. A case. Oh, this is interesting. This is the case. It doesn't say anything about this, but this is supposed to be for your straw. Maybe fold it up. Since it's silicone, you can do that. Let's see if that works. Oh my goodness. Okay, so your little straw is like ready to go. It says you can clip it on your keys. You could obviously keep this in your purse. Woo! Pops out of there too. It was like a can of snakes. Anybody? I'll definitely be using those soon. I'm gonna put my noodles away. I don't know if this necklace is really worth $50. I personally wouldn't pay for $50 for like costume jewelry. Everybody's a little different, but that's what it looks like if you guys were curious. It's a nice length. I like where it sits on me and I'll definitely wear it. I'm really happy to have it. I'll definitely wear it, but not something I would have probably gone out and purchased, but it's cute. This one is a 2-in-1 grinder. This one goes for $21.95. It's the pair twist and shake your way to perfectly seasoned dish with the refillable ceramic salt and pepper grinder. And what I didn't know is like, is it a salt grinder or just a salt shaker on that end? Because I was thinking like for Himalayan pink salt, that would be really interesting. Oh wow, it is pretty big. This is a hefty guy. Okay, yeah, it looks like we got a grinder on both ends. And that's kind of what they're showing is peppercorns and then the pink Himalayan salt in there. So that's what I will definitely do with it. And man, this is massive, but it's good because I hate refilling it. So this way you don't refill it very often. So there you go. Okay, this is really exciting. So this is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. Okay. Here's what that looks like. This is something I've been like curious to try, is light therapy for the skin. I don't have a lot of breakouts, but I'm always curious for like anti-aging. I always want to try literally everything I can get my hands on. They did include batteries as well. Okay, so there we go. It's lit up. So this goes for $68 and it stimulates collagen and elastin with multi-wave light. So it has infrared light, invisible to the naked eye, red light, amber light.
Just tell me how to use it.
Before I get started, you're supposed to do like a light sensitivity test and do it on your arm on clean skin. So I will definitely be doing that. I really like the size and shape of this. It's really lightweight. It's not cumbersome. So this is going to be really interesting to use and see if it has any effect whatsoever. But, you know, I'm always into my tools, my gadgets. I've got like my gua sha, I've been doing dermaplaning, I've been like all this stuff. So light was the obvious next step. So I'm going to try that out, and if I'm loving it, I'll keep you guys updated and let you know my thoughts. Okay, so we got something from This Works, and this really intrigues me because I use the Deep Sleep pillow spray like religiously. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It says to use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin, and it says it's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So I wonder if this is like lavender. Nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. So this one's got shea butter, camelina sativa, lavender, vetiver, chamomile. The scent of the pillow spray is not like a scent that I would be like, oh, I love it so much, but it is a very like calming scent. Oh, this smells kind of similar. Ooh, kind of smells like weed. This kind of like the pillow spray scent, but this is pretty strong, and it smells a little like, you know. Okay. So that guy goes for $40 for that. Wow. I will definitely have to try it. I don't know that I love it on me as much as I like falling asleep with the scent on my pillow. So I don't know if it's going to translate and I'm going to like it as much, but I do really, really love the pillow spray. So I can't complain. All right, we also got the Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. This is actually one that I have, and I have also given away in a giveaway because I do really like it. It goes for $35, and this one will just kind of exfoliate. It's really gentle. I find that my skin really enjoys it, and it leaves my skin super smooth. So I do enjoy this one, and I'm happy to have another one. We got the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, and this guy goes for $78, super pricey. I don't know if this is the updated packaging or not, but this is what it looks like. Obviously, collagen will only do so much on the surface of your skin. You know, it doesn't penetrate deeply and have like a long-lasting effect. It can give you that like plumpness to the surface though. So I do enjoy using things with collagen in them. It also has other good ingredients, and I really like Murad products, so this is a win for me. But there's other good things in it too, like amino acids. It has honey, olive oil, watermelon extract, apple extract, lentil, like there's so many good things in this. So not just the collagen aspect of it, but it has other things that my skin enjoys. But I will definitely have to incorporate this into my routine, and like I said, I'm never going to complain about getting some Murad. I thought this looked like a champagne bottle for a minute, and I was like, what is going on? So this is the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. I don't know what that means, but it looks like a pretty normal brush to me. I'm sorry. She's kind of cute though. It's like kind of like coppery rose gold. I don't know what they mean by electroplated. All right, it says it features extended bristles for easy detangling. Yeah, like that. Reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying. Ideal for smoothing hair during blow dries, drying to create smooth, straight styles and softness. It seems nice. I mean, I don't know that it's anything incredibly special, but I do like this type of brush. So definitely not going to complain about this guy either. And this goes for $35. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like a cheapie when it comes to like hair tools like that, but I don't know. I've had the same two brushes forever, and I don't know if it makes a big difference or not, but we'll try it out. I'm definitely going to use it and we will see, and I think it's pretty cute. I could go for a new brush, you know, I probably need one anyway, so this is really good for me. So yay. All right, so that was a lot of stuff, and I feel like I got pretty good items too, and I feel like I got a good mixture too. Like I got something for hair, something for body, something for face, something for home. I got jewelry. Honestly, this is the most exciting for me to do light therapy because I'm just so intrigued to see what that will be like. So I actually think this was a really, really good FabFitFun. You can't forget our noodle straws right here. I will never be anything else in my mind. So all in all, I'm really impressed. Let me know what you guys think about this FabFitFun. Have you subscribed before? You currently subscribe, or maybe it's something you've never really kind of wanted to get into. I feel like it's worth it every time. Like even months where I'm like, I'm not that excited about that, it's still worth it. I mean, obviously, even just getting like the light therapy, which I'm most excited about, you know, is cheaper to get the box than this. No complaints here. I feel like overall it was a really, really good box, and I love the variety in it. Whereas a lot of other subscriptions, you know, I love makeup, don't get me wrong, but it's nice to get such a variety of things and so many things that I'm actually going to use. And I can honestly say I will use every single item in this box. So so I feel like that was a big win for me, waving this around like a wand at this point. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it if you stayed until the end, and also definitely leave me a big thumbs up. That helps me so much. Also, if you want to see my videos and you watch them even sometimes, please make sure you're turning on notifications. Even then, it's iffy if you'll get them 100% of the time or not. YouTube is definitely going through another period where my videos really aren't being seen. Lately, my past several videos have not been getting the love, and I think that is at least partially due to the fact that people are not getting notifications, or they're not popping up when they open YouTube. My videos aren't there, and really the only way to do that is, you know, have your notifications on and interact with the videos. So, you know, liking and commenting, all of that stuff will help as well. But I do appreciate anything you guys do always, so thank you so much, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!